Hi, folks. Hank. So I'm looking at Snap. Now, I know they had great earnings. The guidance wasn't all that great. They had offered a $500 million stock buyback, which is completed now. And there's a bunch of analysts who dropped the price a little bit, even after beating earnings because of their guidance. The user base at DAU dropped a little bit as well. So, yeah, rightfully so, they got guided down. But at the end of the day, like I always, tell my users that you got to look at the charts. I mean, what you see is a massive sell-off on Snap over a period of time, right? Beginning of this year. Now, like I said, they beat earnings. They did good on earnings, right? Guidance was good. Well, guidance was conservative. I would say that. But here's the big picture. Let's go down to a weekly chart. We are below COVID lows, first of all. This is just the beginning of Snap. You got a major double bottom here. This is one of the best setups, prime real estate, in my opinion, to buy where I'm buying, where I've already bought. I've loaded up, added more. Oh, extremely oversold on my RSI indicator, my ChartPower RSI indicator. And clear, clean, double bottom. Not just a double bottom, like up here, trading here, like, double bottom could have been here, could have been here. This is a double bottom from all-time lows. Since the stock IPO'd, it is at a double bottom, the lowest point of its entire history. And they beat on earnings. And they just completed a $500 million buyback. And they guided down. But analysts took the bait. They took the bait. Some investors took the bait, right? Pushing the market down. They're trapping. This is a major short trap. Because if I'm doing well, right? Let's say I drop some subscribers. Okay, fine. I still beat earnings. I did a $500 million buyback. I guided, down for the future earnings. Could you imagine a lower earnings projection and crushing it? They're focusing on Perplexity AI, their AI engine. They turn this around by next quarter. If they actually improve by next, which is not hard to do because they got it down. You got a major double bottom. This is I look at the chart. I'm like, oh, I'm buying this. Of course, I have a stop in there, but I load it up on shares. So this is Snap. It's trading them in right now. Double bottom, clean, beat on earnings. A little got down on projections, but they could turn around to use the DAU to user base. Come next quarter report. It's a good entry. All right, I'm Hank. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye. Hi, folks. Hank from SixFourTrading. If you like this type of content, and if you want to trade with me live in my Discord, there's a link in the description below. I hope you guys trade well, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care.